Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Terrace Christian TV. So we are now here at the one of my clients' property. So yeah, I sold this property way back to 2018, I think. So yeah, so unfortunately, some of the mango trees are died due to typhoon Odette, but some still remain. So but yeah, by God's grace, yes, a harvest now. So as you can see here, already full. That one already full. This one. So this is the sorting area. So this is full. So here is already harvested, and we that part is not yet harvest. So as you can see guys, so in a way it's a good investment, and then yeah, good investment for any retirement purposes. This is a good idea guys. So don't forget to share and then comment and then like on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys. So this one is ready for harvest. We'll see. That's a mango here. So some are ripe already. Here's one is ripe. Oh, that's good. Wait. Hello sir, we're now harvesting the mangoes.
Grabe no.
Kasi ate, paspas kayo harvest.
Oh.
Kilo imong dalhon. Anak eh, anak mong paliton. Ha? Anak yung paliton mahal na ito. Indog ito sa buwan. Ano may kuano ni boss? Kumanan ni siya kining nasa karton kanang naas ka na. Kung nakibali gagmay. Oh, mana itong panon siguro. Ayun, nato, dili mo. Sudah dako ka. Dili mo dako. Dito ka na dako dito. Mana me? Mana?
Na ako ng litson.
Kau mana? Dito.
Kung yan ito yung bata sila balay ang tuluro sila wajan kaon sila bihag niya. Babahaw lang yung bihag bay.